Alright, keep calling it out. Where you at right now? Where you at now? Robo! Where you at right now? 65th and what?
Pulling up to my house.
65th and what? Give me the address. 65th and Vernon. Bro, it's weird.
Why you take me in the front? My mom is waiting on me. Take me to
65 and Vernon.
Well, I'm trying to get out.
It's a black Jeep. I'll follow you. You got out the car already?
Yes, but I'm here for my life because he has a weapon. And he told me that he was going to do it to me.
Okay, is he still there?
Yes.
All right, let me know. 66 and Vernon.
Mommy, I tried to get out the car. He wouldn't let me. He told me that he gonna kill me if the police come. He's still here.
Okay, 66 and Vernon.
I'm on 67 Champlain.
Champlain?
I have bruises all over me, yes.
Ocean 356 foot. Ocean 356
He's in the back of my house.
Timothy Lane and Don Avenue. Timothy Lane and Don Avenue.
Look at what
That Frank people 35 281. That Frank people 35.
Okay, we're going. What kind of gun is it?
You got him off the top.
What kind of
Ocean 356. That Frank people 35 here.
Okay, I'm right here at 60. And you said where is he at right now?
He's in the back of my house. I know I've been on the phone with him this morning.
Where are you at right now? 65th?
I'm in my house.
Okay, but where?
I'm
And you said he's in the alley?
Yes, he's in the alley.
They're saying that he's in the alley somewhere right here, 65th and... You said it's at 66 and Vernon? And he's in the alley. It's like 4 blocks that way. And black Jeep, right? You said?
Yes, yes.
Do you know the plate?
He is. I don't remember it. All I know is his. Jalen Carpenter.
Jay.
Yes.
I know, it's weird.
They down the street on Vernon. They been following us the whole time. This was not so.
Hey, do you still see him or not?
Y'all gotta hurry up because he has a switch.
Okay, but where is he at?
So he's in the backyard. Yes, he put his hands on me. No, look at my Every time I try, he said he's gonna do something to me. I don't. You let him. Bruises all over my body.
So what happened right now?
Me and my girl arguing, but that's it.
Okay. You have any weapons on you? You mind lifting up your shirt?
Come on, man. What's y'all on?
Yo. Stop. Leave me alone. Chill out. No. Yo, don't fucking reach, man. Stop fucking reaching. Yo, he has a gun. Stop it. Yo, dude, stop.
Shots fired! 65th and Vernon!
6-5 and burn.
Fuck, man.
It's secure. You can't fucking reach it. Where is it? Where's the firearm?
Right here.
6-5 running. We're secure. Expedite fire.
It's the only thing you can do in that situation.